What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I got my festive outfit on because it was Christmas a week ago and I couldn't record until now because life stuff. Happy New Year 2023. It's the same as last year. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run and install Forge on your computer so you can get some cool mods and stuff, do cool things. One of the things you can do is, shaders like this, but Optifine isn't updated to the latest version. So I'm currently on Fabric, which is the next video I'm going to be making, is showing you how to install Fabric if you don't want to use Forge. So I'm going to do a little swoosh thing. We're going to get to the video. So let's go. All right, now that we're on our desktop, we're just going to go into Chrome here. And oh, look at this. We got a G-Man merch store. Oh, we got hoodies, shorts, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts. We got more hoodies and we got a mug. We got everything. You should go hit the link down below. Now that we're at 100 subscribers, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Go down below, copy yourself some merch. We got tons of stuff here, and I'm sure there's something you'd like, so just go do that. I'm actually wearing a hoodie right now. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna look up Forge and the version that you want to download, which in this case is 1.19.3. You can do this for any version, and it's gonna probably be one of the first things you find, and it's right here, files.minecraftforge.net. I'll also leave a link down below to this website if you don't want to search it up. And then all you're gonna do is you're going to 1.19.3 and you're gonna download the latest version of the installer right here. You're just gonna hit that. It's gonna pop up with some stuff. Don't hit anything. As you can see, it says please wait up here. There's going to be a little skip button, and you're going to hit that skip. And as you can see, Forge 1.19.3 has been downloaded. That's pretty much it. If you don't see this Java logo right here, I will do a separate video on that, but you're going to have to download the latest version of Java. So if you don't see this, go download Java. I will make a separate video on that very soon, but you're going to open it up. If you already have Java installed, you should see a little mug, and it's going to open up the Java window here with Forge, and you're going to hit install client. It should already be checked, and you're going to hit OK. It's going to do some things. Make sure you have your launcher closed as well while this is happening. And it's going to say a bunch of stuff on the screen. Don't worry about it. The only thing you need to worry about is this bar up here. And as you can see, it is now almost done. Alright, successfully installed. Hit OK. It'll close that window. And now you're going to close out of everything just like that. Back to your home screen, you're going to open up the Minecraft launcher. Once you're in the Minecraft launcher, you will see 1.19.3 Forge or whatever version you have. And if it says the latest release or latest snapshot still, you might have to go in there and check it. If it's not in there, you can go to installations, check modded, and if it's still not there, hit new installation. Hit this, go down till you see release 1.19.3 Forge or whatever version you have. Choose a image of your liking. I personally like the TNT. And name it whatever you want. Hit create. You're going to hit play. Play again here once you have it selected. And eventually Minecraft should be loading. Here you go. And you are now in Forge. And you can do pretty much anything you want with mods and stuff. I will do a separate video on how to download certain mods in the future. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to cop the merch if you can. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. And bye.